Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Styx, Blades of Greed, Gamepad or controller not working issue. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. Now click on Power and then select Restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, now check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam. On the library section, select your game. Right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if the game is working or gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if gamepad is working or not. If the issue continues, come back, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Before that, you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. Once you have done this, wait for some time and then check whether controller not working issue is fixed or not. If not, next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. Once done, restart your PC. Again, go to settings, Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. After you click on it, wait for some time and after that, try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. Here you will see an update option available. Click on the update option, wait for some time and after updating your game, now launch it and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to the Steam, under library section, select your game and here you can see enter big picture mode, click on it. Now after you enter big picture mode, here you have to select your game. After selecting the game, click on it and click on the play button. If the game is launching well and good, click on Steam option. Now click on power and then select exit big picture mode. After you have done this, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, then next solution is to install DS4 Windows tool. So you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or even you can simply copy and paste this link. After the website opens, click on the download option and after that go below. Here you have to click on download option. Once it is downloaded, install it and after installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once you have done this, launch Styx Blades of Greed game again to check for the error. So using these methods, you can resolve gamepad or controller not working issue on Styx Blades of Greed game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.